Hey there guys, today I got this Ace hardware lock. It's supposed to be for like one key, where you take your house key and get this lock key to your house key and use the padlock around your house to your shed. That way you can only have to carry one key. Here's a look at the key bitting. Hopefully you guys can see that. Here's a look at the key bitting, and the lock does work. There it is working. Go ahead and lock it back up here for you. This lock does have security pins in it. Go ahead and pick it open for you. Start at the back of the keyway. Got a little bit of a false set. Got another one. And there it is, picked open. Yeah. When I first started picking this lock, I wasn't able to get it open that quickly. It did give me a little bit of trouble. I first started using top of the keyway tension, then I switched and started using bottom of the keyway tension. But there it was, picked open. Give you a look at the key bitting again. Hopefully you guys can see that. And on the bow of the key, it does have a code stamped into it. It's 36512. And on the other side of the bow of the key, it says Ace and KW1. Hopefully you guys can see that. And here's a look at the package that it came in. There's the back side. It tells about how you can use a house key for the padlock and stuff like that. There it is, Ace hardware lock. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.